If you live in a 30-year-old building in Mumbai or Thane with over 100 flats, the ground beneath your feet holds significant value. Based on current market rates and FSI potential, the underlying land value for a society of that size sits between 150 and 250 crore rupees. I'm Pawan Thakur. In this video, I will give you the exact playbook to navigate your society's redevelopment, negotiate effectively with builders, and keep your project from stalling. Before you even approach a developer, you need 3 non-negotiable documents. First, a conveyance deed, proving your society actually owns the land. Second, an updated structural audit. And third, legally documented consent from at least 70. You need to verify your property card and 7/12 extracts. Make sure every single share certificate is updated, and formally record your decision to redevelop during a special general body meeting. I need to be absolutely clear on this point. If your society does not hold the conveyance deed, your project is dead on arrival. You must secure the land title in the society's name first. Next, form a core committee of 5 to 9 members. Look specifically for residents who have financial, legal, or technical backgrounds to handle the complex paperwork ahead. This committee's first job isn't interviewing builders. It's hiring the professionals who will protect the society's interests: a project management consultant, a specialized redevelopment lawyer, and an architect. Developers negotiate these contracts every single day. By bringing in a project management consultant before you take offers, you put experts on your side of the table, instantly leveling the playing field. Your architect will conduct a feasibility study to calculate your plot's floor space index, or FSI. This is the multiplier that determines the exact maximum buildable area the city will allow on your specific land. Once you have those hard numbers, you open a transparent tendering process. Invite 5 to 8 reputed builders to submit formal proposals that are based directly on your architect's strict FSI calculations. When those proposals come in, you evaluate them across 3 specific metrics: the percentage increase in carpet area for the residents, the lump sum corpus fund amount per flat, and the timeline for transit rent payments. Because you already know the mathematical potential of your land, builders are forced into a strict apples-to-apples comparison. They can no longer submit lowball offers because your data proves what the plot is actually worth. As this roadmap shows, if you live in a large society with over 100 flats, you hold a massive amount of bargaining power. You have the scale that top-tier developers need to generate their target revenue. You should use that leverage to demand premium terms. In today's market, a large society can negotiate a 20% to 50% increase in total carpet area per member, alongside a corpus fund payout ranging from 15 to 40 lakh rupees per flat. But a high offer is useless without legal protection. Your development agreement must mandate a bank guarantee equal to 15 to 20% of the total project cost, and you should require 2 to 3 years of transit rent paid entirely upfront. These specific clauses ensure that even if market conditions drop, the builder has too much capital locked in to abandon your site. The financial risk stays on their balance sheet, not yours. Once the contract is signed, the builder must clear a strict sequence of municipal approvals. They submit the architect plan, secure the IOD approval, obtain NOCs from the fire and water departments, secure the commencement certificate, and complete the Maharera registration. Legally, the builder cannot touch your old building, demolish a single wall, or stop paying your transit rent until every single one of those approvals is firmly in place. At the end of construction, the final hurdle is the occupation certificate. Never accept possession of your new flat or move your family in until the municipality issues that official OC document. To keep the builder honest through this entire multi-year process, your committee will rely on monthly tracking reports from your PMC. That consistent oversight is how you ensure the developer actually delivers on schedule. When executed correctly, redevelopment replaces outdated structures with earthquake-resistant engineering, high-end amenities, and modern infrastructure that drastically improves your daily lifestyle. By upgrading the physical asset and securing a larger carpet area, residents typically see the market value of their property multiply by 2 to 3 times its original worth. If you want to know the exact numbers for your specific land parcel, reach out. We can build a customized feasibility report and a detailed builder comparison sheet tailored strictly to your society. Call me directly at the number on screen, and let's start planning your safe redevelopment journey. Realizing the full financial potential of your building comes down to disciplined execution, ensuring every legal safeguard is locked in long before the first brick is moved.